Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Chief Information Security Officer, or CISO role. In today's digital world, cybersecurity has become more critical than ever. Organizations of all sizes need strong leadership to protect their data and systems from cyber threats. A CISO is the executive responsible for designing and implementing an organization's security strategy. Throughout this video, we'll explore what a CISO does, the challenges they face, and why this role has become essential in modern business. A CISO, or Chief Information Security Officer, is a senior-level executive who leads an organization's cybersecurity efforts. Think of them as the security leader who oversees all aspects of protecting company data, systems, and networks from cyber attacks. The CISO reports to the Chief Information Officer, or CIO, or sometimes directly to the Chief Executive Officer, or CEO. They combine technical knowledge with business strategy to ensure that security aligns with the organization's goals. CISOs work in nearly every industry, from banking and healthcare to technology and retail, wherever sensitive data needs protection. The CISO has many important responsibilities. First, they develop and implement comprehensive security policies and strategies that protect the organization's digital assets. Second, they oversee the security team, which includes security analysts, engineers, and incident responders. Third, they manage cybersecurity budgets and make decisions about which security tools and technologies to invest in. Fourth, they ensure the organization complies with relevant laws and regulations like GDPR, or the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA. Fifth, they manage risk by identifying vulnerabilities and implementing solutions to address them. Finally, they communicate security matters to executives and the board of directors to keep leadership informed about potential threats and the organization's security posture. Creating a robust security strategy is one of the CISO's most important roles. This involves assessing the organization's current security posture and identifying gaps. The CISO then develops a roadmap to address these gaps and improve security over time. Risk management is central to this work. The CISO conducts risk assessments to understand what threats the organization faces, how likely these threats are, and what impact they could have. Based on this analysis, they prioritize which risks need immediate attention and which can be addressed later. They also ensure that security measures are balanced with business needs, because being too restrictive can slow down operations, while being too lenient leaves the organization vulnerable. When a cyber attack or security breach occurs, the CISO leads the response efforts. This is called incident response. The CISO must quickly mobilize the security team to contain the threat and prevent further damage. They work to identify what happened, which systems were affected, and what data may have been compromised. The CISO also manages communication during a crisis, updating internal stakeholders and external parties like customers and regulators as needed. This requires excellent crisis management skills and the ability to remain calm under pressure. The CISO learns from each incident by conducting post-incident reviews to understand what went wrong and how to prevent similar attacks in the future. Organizations must comply with various laws and regulations designed to protect data and privacy. The CISO ensures the organization meets these legal requirements. In Europe, the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, sets strict rules about how organizations handle personal data. In healthcare, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, requires protection of patient health information. Other regulations include the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS, for handling credit card data, and various industry-specific regulations. The CISO works with the legal and compliance teams to implement controls that meet these requirements. Noncompliance can result in significant fines, legal action, and damage to the organization's reputation. A CISO cannot do everything alone. They lead a team of security professionals with different expertise. This team typically includes security architects who design secure systems, security analysts who monitor for threats, incident responders who handle breaches, and penetration testers who simulate attacks to find vulnerabilities. The CISO hires talented people, provides training and development, and creates a culture of security within the organization. They set clear expectations and goals for the team. A strong security team is motivated, skilled, and aligned with the organization's mission. The CISO also fosters relationships with other departments like IT, legal, and human resources to ensure everyone plays a role in protecting the organization's security. The CISO role comes with significant challenges. First, the threat landscape constantly evolves, with new cyber attacks emerging regularly. CISOs must stay informed about emerging threats and adapt their strategies accordingly. Second, there is often a shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals, making it difficult to build and maintain a strong team. Third, securing adequate budget can be challenging because security is often seen as a cost rather than a business enabler. Fourth, CISOs must balance security with usability because overly restrictive security measures can frustrate employees and hurt productivity. Fifth, CISOs face pressure from executives to minimize security incidents while maintaining business operations. Finally, the legal and regulatory landscape is complex and constantly changing, requiring continuous compliance efforts. Let's look at how CISOs make a real difference. Consider a large financial institution. The CISO ensures that customer banking data is protected from hackers through strong encryption and security monitoring. A healthcare organization's CISO protects patient medical records, which are among the most valuable data on the black market. A technology company's CISO safeguards both company secrets and customer data from competitors and cybercriminals. When a breach occurs, a CISO's quick response can minimize damage and protect customers. For example, when a company quickly detects a breach, responds promptly, and notifies customers, the damage is contained. Without a competent CISO and security team, breaches can go undetected for months, resulting in massive financial and reputational harm. The CISO's work directly impacts whether customer trust is maintained or lost. The CISO role has never been more important. As cyber attacks become more frequent and sophisticated, organizations recognize that strong security leadership is essential for business success. The CISO is no longer just a technical role, it has become a strategic business role. Board members and CEOs now regularly discuss cybersecurity because a major breach can threaten the entire organization. The future holds new challenges as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and Internet of Things devices expand the attack surface. CISOs must continually evolve their skills and strategies to address these emerging technologies and threats. For those interested in cybersecurity, the CISO role represents the highest level of security leadership, combining technical expertise with business strategy, risk management, and executive influence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.